Grab that.
I'm done with the intro.
Alright, look, this is how much I speedrunned already. Come here. Watch. But guess what? Guess what?
What? Keely gets a gifted like, yo!
I think you Star Jelly. Built different.
Yeah. Just today, somebody made 2 quadrillion money. That's so rancid, bro. Oh my god, my rat bee is so cool, bro. Really?
Yeah.
Freezing hot.
What?
Kidding.
Dominic, why would I use hacks?
No reason. Dominic, why would I use that?
Beatable Offense, RDM, UA, and CDL. I just picked a booger out of my nose. It was so goofy. It was so big. Wanted to suck on it, but it was too big.
Right now, you know that, right?
Yeah. I'm giving them entertainment.
Best entertainment ever.
Feed me water. Feed me air. I just sniffed a big booty hole.
Oh my god, it's an obby! I suck! I just revealed I had to use sound on accident.
The oof sound? What? Huh?
I have the oof sound.
Yeah, so do I. All you have to do is have block strap.
I got to take it. What?
What?
Get the royal jelly?
Yeah, I'm also speedrunning. Who? You just said someone's glazing someone.
Oh, stop glazing me!
Why'd it bounce back? Like smacking on that booty cheek away, he making me ride him.
I don't like this game anymore.
Did he just say massive? You know what else is massive?
It's a little tape of fade. Wanna know what's massive? Taper fade. Wait, say the world is so. Wait, say the world is so massive, real quick.
The world is so massive.
You wanna know what else is so massive?
Low
Taper fade.
Give me what you're supposed to give me, little bro.
Where are you?
I'm about to sell my stuff. No,
Sell? You mean?
I got 3 points. What?
I don't think that's what you mean by sell. I think you mean in convert, but you do you.
What?
Can you stop glazing me? Because, I'm a glazed donut.
What?
Like, stop glazing me. Okay, I'm like a glazed donut today. Who has made the most pollen today? Let me check. 2 quadrillion today. Try hard.
He's just built different.
He is fire.
Fire!
No.
I heard Brad is casually saying.
No, I said what you said. Mayonnaise and cheeses is fire. Guess what? Strawberry cheesecake.
Did I just hear a bee swarm plus line startup?
No. Okay, bro, you can just tell my brother does not touch grass with this game. He legit just said, did I hear the bee swarm quest sound effects?
Man.
I
I thought you
Bee swarm sound effect?
told you I heard it.
I told you.